coffee. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to curl your hair using a straightener. You guys can see my hair looks like a mess. I will be teaching you all from scratch how to curl your hair using a straightener only and no other tool, because not many of us have curler or all those fancy tools. So if you want to learn how to curl your hair using a hair straightener or a flat iron, then just keep watching. So the first step to any hairstyle is combing your hair and making sure there's no tangles in your hair. So I have this hairbrush which is amazing, and I'm gonna just take out all the tangles from my hair. There should be no knots or anything. So as you guys can see, my hair is fully tangle free, and when I run my fingers through my hair there is no knots and it's moving super smoothly. Now before you use any kind of heat on your hair, you want to make sure you use a good heat protectant so that you don't damage your hair a lot. You know, heat damages your hair and we don't want that. So I will be using a heat protectant spray all over my hair. Anytime you straighten, curl or do anything with your hair, you use heat. You want to make sure you use a heat protectant spray. I will section my hair and then use the heat protectant spray so that I'm sure that the heat protectant spray is, you know, covering every single strand of my hair and not just some parts, and then some parts are just left unattended. So every single strand of my hair is fully covered in the heat protectant spray, and it's kind of wet, so I'm letting it dry. Once it dries, I'll come back and show you guys the next steps. Alright guys, I'm back. My hair is fully dried and the heat protectant spray is fully absorbed by my hair. Now we're gonna start damaging the hair by the heat. It is what it is. Obviously I can't go out looking like this, man. Like, yar, no. I don't talk like that, I swear to god. Meri Urdu bahut achhi hai. Like, I'm the most fluent Urdu speaker. Actually, I used to get A in Urdu. I think I got high on my coffee. This is why I'm speaking a lot. Let's get back to business. Now, I will be using my Dyson Curl. The most important part when it comes to styling your hair using any kind of hair straightener is that you take small sections. The smaller the section, the better the results. Alright, I'm turning on the hair straightener. So this is how much hair I'm gonna be taking. So here's the thing, y'all. Take your hair straightener. You keep your hair inside the hair straightener like this. Close it. And then you roll your hair strand all over the hair straightener. And then you move your hair straightener just like this. Oh, and now start moving the hair straightener along with your hair. Slowly. Very slowly, and make sure you go all the way. And then you can also like roll your hair straightener like this, and then look at that. Do you guys see that? Don't worry if you didn't get it, we have a lot of hair to practice on. Now I'm gonna take a small section of hair from this side. I don't know how much this is, but it's small. It also depends on your hair texture and your hair type. And if you take more hair, your curls will be more loose. If you take smaller section, your curls will be more tighter. So everything just varies. So I'm taking this much because this is the kind of look I'm going for. Once again, take your hair straightener, keep the hair inside the hair straightener, close the hair straightener, and then roll your hair all around the hair straightener, and then roll the hair straightener and start moving it slowly. As you're moving the hair straightener, you're curling your hair. You want to roll your hair straightener while you're moving it. And there we have it. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I haven't curled my hair in a while, so this makes me so happy. Like, look at that, girl. Now I'm gonna continue doing this for all of my hair, and I'm just gonna fast forward this step. Now a lot of you must be wondering, how do we do the backside manal? You are not teaching us that. It's just that it's based on tukka. I don't know what's tukka in English. It's kind of like chance. I take a hair strand, put it inside my straightener, roll it, and start moving the hair straightener. Yay! Look. I hope you guys can see. I don't want this tutorial to be a fail, please. Now we're done with the lower part. I'm gonna move on to the top part, take a few sections, curl them, and repeat. So the sun is literally over there and it's falling on me. It's nice, but it's not, because like this lighting, I don't know. Anyway, look at the hair. Obsessed. Literally obsessed. Now we just have the last section remaining. I'm gonna open this and start curling this as well. I closed the curtains and you guys can actually see me clearly. So the top section is always a little tricky because you want to make sure you first part your hair the way you would always part your hair and then start styling it. Let's start curling. Once again, taking a small section, straightener goes in, hair goes around the straightener, and straightener starts moving downwards. Look at that. Look at the way the hair is going through the straightener. And now, boom. Keep your hair inside it, as close to the root as possible. Close the hair straightener. Roll your hair around the hair straightener and start moving the hair straightener this way. And then start rolling the hair to the side where you want to part your hair, like this. I hope it makes sense to you guys. I'm trying my best for it to make sense. I really want you guys to learn this because this will give you the best hair and these curls stay. I'm gonna continue doing this on this side and come back. You guys, I am back and I am obsessed. Let me zoom in. Look from this side. You can now do so much with the hair. You can use a hairspray so the curls remain intact for a long time. I'm not really gonna do that. I want my curls to slowly open and get a nice little shape. If you want, you can run your fingers through the hair so the curls open. I'm just slightly doing it, very lightly, as you guys can see. And then you can just style your hair, maybe use a clip to clip your hair backwards and do something like this. And there you have it, you guys. This was my little tutorial on how to curl your hair using a flat iron. It's a little complicated, but once you get the hang of it, it is like nothing. You will get the best looking hair with so much volume and your hair stays in a very nice style for a very long time. I hope you all liked today's video and learned something new. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye. Okay.